Hi everyone, I see you've made it to the workspace for Physics 30, Unit 1, Chapter 9 in your textbook, Momentum and Impulse. Anyway, so let me just walk you around how to use this workspace. Again, my name is Mr. V. I will be your instructor for this course. So over here in the Goals column, you can see all the curriculum outcomes for this entire chapter or entire unit. Okay, you can read through those at your leisure. Okay, the most important column for you is going to be the resources column. Now on my screen it says add resources. Of course on yours it's just going to say resources. Okay, the start here, this is where you found that video. So as soon as I'm done shooting it, I will plop it in there. Okay, and then it says, okay, Unit 1, Momentum and Impulse, Pre-Assessment. So you go over to the evidence column and you click on the Momentum and Impulse Pre-Assessment. Okay, if we do that, it clicks or opens up a page. This is some Physics 20 stuff that will be really useful for you to know for momentum and impulse. Okay, come on, let's go. Sorry, everyone. Slow internet connection. Oh, here, it's coming. There we are. Okay, so I want you guys to print this off and complete this. When you're done that, what you do is you go back over here. The answer key will be in here. Sorry, it's not there yet. Oops. Okay, so I'll plop that in there so you can check your work. This is not for marks. It's just a pre-assessment for some important skills that you will need for the upcoming chapter. Okay, so next up is the Momentum Notes package. So this is, so you click on that, the notes come up. So that's all the notes for chapter 9. So I'm going to go through all these notes with the video, so you need to have these printed out so that you can follow along. Okay, make your own notes on them, of course, and etc., etc. So then we'll go back to the workspace again. Okay, once we do that, we are going to read and watch down the middle column. So the first one, part 0, is just some calculator skills that are going to be really handy. Okay, and then we have Momentum and Impulse Part 1. So this talks about, or this video discusses how to find momentum of an object. So you watch the video and then do the practice questions. These are in your textbook, so we don't have to worry about, you can go right to your textbook pages if you want, or you can click on this. The advantage of using the textbook pages from here are simply that you can write all over these. Okay, as opposed to endless sheets of loose leaf or whatever. But the thing is, the questions are kind of tightly packed, so you might want loose leaf anyway. I'm going to leave that completely up to you. Okay, so after that, of course, you have part 2, and then it's practice questions. Part 3, it's practice questions. Part 4, it's practice questions, and then it says, okay, now it's time to do a formative assessment. So then you go over to the evidence column and you look for the formative assessment. Remember, the whole idea of a formative assessment is it's just forming the idea, so it's not for marks. Okay, so you click on this guy, okay, print it off, do the worksheet, hand it into your teacher. Okay, then the answer key will be there, so you can mark your own work. Okay, and then after that, then if you go down to the middle column, it'll say it's time to do a summative assessment. So it's time to do the curriculum review. Okay, a curriculum review is different. It is a summative assessment, so 4 marks. And the idea is it's kind of a worksheet assignment. Your instructor will give you directions as whether they want you to do it kind of like a pre-quiz, so independent on your own, open book, or if they want you to take it home and do it as an assignment there. Okay, once you've handed that in, your instructor will mark that. Then you'll have a momentum and impulse quiz. Okay, you'll get that from your teacher as well, and then after the quiz, you will have your unit exam for momentum and impulse. The unit exam is a little bit different because it is all multiple choice and numeric response, okay, just like your diploma exam. Okay, so once you're done your exam summative assessment, then that's it for momentum and impulse. Then you'll move on to the next chapter. So that's how you use this workspace. Good luck, everyone, and we'll see you out there.